Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Anasuya. I believe this is the first video I'm gonna be posting. It's basically part one of a two-part series where I'll be going to Ueno Park. So this is kind of like the get ready with me part of that series, where I'll be showing you me choosing my outfit and doing my makeup, if you can even call it that. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so I'm kind of going for like a 70s aesthetic today. So I got this like kind of faded leather jacket. It's like brown and it's kind of washed out. It's really cute. So I'm kind of going for that aesthetic. So it's gonna be like bell bottoms and like cute little white top and you know the leather jacket, and we're gonna put some like tiny little boots. It's gonna be the look for today. Yeah, I'll just show it to you guys actually. I do not know how this top is gonna go with that, and the color of those jeans are not really giving what I thought it would with this outfit, but let's put it on and let's see before we make any more judgments. I might change the top out. We're in our Doja Cat can't fit into them jeans era. This shit. Okay, did fit into them jeans. Right now I'm not wearing any heels, so this is like hella big for me. Okay, so the fit is on. I'll show like the full like in the mirror like later, but these pants are really big, and the only way this will fit is if I wear these boots. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear these boots and then I'm gonna show the full fit, and then I'm gonna get the beat ready, the hair done, because I'm not going like this crusty raggedy. This is not giving. Okay, here we go. This is the outfit. The only way these jeans fit are with these damn boots, and even then, look at that. I think this color, this shade of blue and this brown is not giving what I thought it would give. Like the inner fit is really cute, the outer fit not so much. Style tip, I guess, don't pair this color of brown with this. Sorry, I'm yapping so much about like my fit, but it's an important part, man. Okay, so for my hair, what I do is I take this oil and honey. Basically I put this like right after I have a hair bath. Yesterday I had a hair bath, but I forgot to put it. I'm supposed to put it to damp hair, but I forgot, so that's not what we did. Put it on my hair, just kind of. Today my hair is kind of giving curly wavy, like it's giving that, so I'm not trying to ruin that. So I just put it over here, like on the top. When I, like on normal days, this is what I use. This is from India, some streaks, like it's a brand, it's pretty great. I'm sure I can find like a Japanese alternative to it here, but right now the ant honey hair oil is kind of like my alternative, if you will. Yeah, we're just gonna brush the top of my hair because the bottom is so poofy and it's kind of going with the fit, and it's also kind of tangled. I think I'm gonna carry this in my bag so that I could do like a quick this. Does that even look cute? Does that go with the fit? Does that go with the fit? I'm not so sure. Okay, so screw that idea. We're not doing that. So we're keeping it. I'm like a little confused if I should wear my glasses or not. Probably not. I don't know. We're gonna do like very light makeup today. So I'm gonna use my crusty concealer, the NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm I'm gonna do this age-old trick that I do all the time, which is, my mirror is here, so I'm just gonna, okay, but you'll see it for this side, so let me like, yeah, that's better. Okay, so I'm gonna put it all on my acne scars and pock marks. I don't really have pock marks, I just have like scars. We're gonna leave the discoloration around my lips because I feel like if I put the concealer there, it's just gonna look unnatural. See, now the problem with this is too light for my shade and it's too orangey for my shade. So there's like a hack that I do. Another hack. I use this side. If you can see, it's like kind of already white. I use this side. This is like the contour side, but I don't contour. I just kind of like, I do contour with it when I'm like doing glam makeup or whatever, but I haven't done glam makeup in a while, so I kind of try to match my skin tone with this color. So I just put a little bit of it. I think I put a little more over there, so I'm gonna have to balance it out. Really depends on what area of your skin you're trying to match, you know. Even more grimy, I use my hands to mix it. It's like areas like this are a little more like lighter in my face, so I don't usually like put the brown there. I just like, my nose is a lot lighter than the rest of my face. Ooh. See, it's not doing too much, but it's fine. It's giving natural, you know? Like, everyone has a little bit of pock marks. No one has like clear skin. Not pock marks, like a little bit of acne scars. Ooh, I definitely look like I got punched over there, so I need to. This. Okay, so this is concerning me, but besides that, my face looks cute. Clear. There's no pimple. I don't really have any pimples right now. It's just acne faded, like, yeah. We're gonna go in. What do I do? Usually I put like eyeliner next. So this is the Plum I Swear by eyeliner pen. I like eyeliner pens compared to like the brush ones because precision. Let's do this. So the way I do my eyeliner is I kind of make the tip first and I connect it to my eyelid part. And I don't like having like a very thick eyeliner. I like it to be sharp and thin. So y'all are gonna see me do weird faces while making like my eyeliner and like mascara and stuff, but that's just... Is it giving sharp? It's giving something. Ooh, it's too long now. Okay, one eye done. I do not know how I'm gonna match that in this eye. Is one eye bigger than the other? Like I have so many like irrational concerns right now.
Guys, if my eyeliner doesn't match each other, it's because my eyes are different, okay? Like, one eye is bigger than the other. And that's like, oh my god. And that's like a birth defect. And it's so bad. That's like a birth defect, like, I was just born this way, so either you accept it or like, stop completely.
Oh my god, my liner is so thick today. My liner is so thick today. This is not what I'm going for. Oh my god. I'm gonna use a wet wipe and hope this goes as erases because this is not cute. Okay, it wiped off just as much as I needed it to. I can work with this. Slayed. That is exactly what I wanted. I think we're good. We're gonna leave it at this. And then we're gonna do my mascara, we're gonna go with Benefits Roller Lash. I bought this after Jeffree Star peer pressured all of us into like buying this because apparently it's the best mascara ever. I've had better success with Maybelline, but you don't hear me say it. God damn, my lips are so crusty. This is like the crustiest like wand ever because like it's always been used after I've like rubbed eyeliner like multiple times, so now it's all like black and dirty. Ugh. What is this doing? It's doing something. I'm not gonna do my lower lashes because I just feel like that's not the vibe. Why is this side of my face so much better than this? Like, this is looking like a tramp. This is like slay. Okay, whatever. Oh, yeah, last step. I don't do my brows a lot because I feel like they're alright as they are. And we're going for like a looky natural look, so I'm just gonna, what I do is like, I think like the front is a little like not that dark as I'd like it to be, so just put a little mascara on there. Just very lightly, not too much, because like I'm not trying to make it really dark, just that much. I don't know if it even makes a difference, but in my head it does. Next we're gonna go with blush. I love blush. Blush really can change your face a lot. Like a good contour and blush can make you look, your face look like Ozempic queen. I don't know what I'm doing today. I usually do like a summer, like that kind of a blush where, you know, it's on your nose, it's over here, and it's very like, you look like you were out in the sun for a bit and like it's very cute, but I don't think today is giving that, so I'm just gonna do like a here, like a very normal like auntie kind of blush. Okay, I forgot to show what blush I'm using. It's Benefits Lip Tint, Benetint, not lip tint, it's it's the Love Tint, but it's Benetint. That's the blush I'm using. God save me, is this too much? I think it needs a little more here, so I'm just gonna put 2 drops. My friend called, I'm taking too much time. Okay, we're gonna just quickly go through this. Highlighter, Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This is what I've been using since middle school. No brush, nothing. This is giving budget makeup, beauty queen. So, you know, just on the of your cheeks, a little bit on your nose, a little bit, not too much, because you don't want to make it look like you got a nose job. And today I'm gonna put some in the inner corner of my eyes. This is really controversial with me and my mom, because my mom thinks it looks like, you know, when you've just woken up from sleep and you have like something coming out of your eyes. She always says like this inner corner thing looks like that. I disagree. I politely disagree. I'm like, no, that it's so cute, but yeah, we're just gonna do it, cute or not today. I'm really good with like eye looks. I know it doesn't seem like it today, but like eye is my specialty in makeup. Eyes, like I'm good with eye makeup. Okay, so we're mostly done. We just need to do a little lip, and yeah, I'm so obsessively just like wiping my hands because I do not like grime in it. What are we doing for lip today? Should I just go with like a normal lip balm, like a little glossy lip balm? I think that's it. We're not doing much. We're not getting our Fenty out or anything. I'm just gonna get my lip balm out. This one I got from Japan itself. It's Nivea Moist Pure Color Cherry Red. So this one gives like a little bit of color to your lips. Whoa, I did not think it would be okay. So poof, we done. We done. It's hella light. Doesn't look like I did too much. Yeah, I'm gonna need to put my hair in the front. Give it a little bit more of a brush. And that's that. And proceeds to like check myself out. Okay, so we good. That's the get ready with me.